Abu Umama radiyallahu anh reported, whenever the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam finished a meal, he would say, Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillahi kathiran tayyiban mubarakan fih.
غير مكفي ولا مودع ولا مستغنى عنه ربنا.
Translating into English, all praise is due to Allah, praise which is abundant, pure and full of blessings, which is indispensable and to which one cannot be indifferent.
All of us slaves of Allah are in need of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We are the poor and Allah is the rich. So He is self-sufficed. He's not in need of us. We are in need of Him. And this tells us, well, we should express our gratitude for the blessings that He's given us. Imagine that you've been deprived from that thing that takes the food inside. Imagine that you have been having a blockage into your system that the food cannot go inside. Imagine that your pipe is being twisted to this side and the food has to go through your nose. Then you know the blessings of Allah Azza wa Jal that He has given you, that you are able to chew the food and enjoy the food, and that's the blessings from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Also, this hadith tells us that no one would satisfy and fulfill the need of any person except for Allah Azza wa Jal. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the only one who deserves to be praised. And that's why as soon as we finish the food, we say, Alhamdulillah, at least. Alhamdulillah الذي أطعمني هذا ورزقنيه من غير حول مني ولا قوة. Or Alhamdulillah. It's like this hadith says, Alhamdulillah كثيرا طيبا مباركا فيه غير مكفي ولا مودع ولا مستغنى عنه ربنا.